Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is very important because Microsoft recently fixed a very important issue, and this is very emergency update, and you need to make sure you are up to date, or if you are not, I will tell you how you can manually update your computer. And this update is basically KB125121767, and this update, you can see that this update addresses an issue affecting a limited number of devices with an Intel Innovation Platform. So it will address your high power consumption, heat up issues, Bluetooth issues, printer issues, and many other driver issues. It will be fixed once you install this update. So if you are facing any random issues in your Windows 11, then this update needs to be done immediately because Microsoft launched this update in emergency and you need to do that. So let's go on my Windows 11 system. So make sure you are on Windows Update and make sure you are up to date. And most importantly, you have to keep open this option. This option should be on. And if you go into the update history, so first of all, you have to check out inside the update history that KB 512767, it is already updated in my computer. So in your case, if it is not available here, obviously you have to make sure you have to press at least 1 to 2 times this button and make sure this update should be done on your computer. If you're not getting this update, no need to worry about that. Some people are not receiving this update. Then in that case, you need to update your computer manually, and I will let you know the official method through which you can update your PC. Just you need to open your Chrome browser or any browser which you are using in routine, and just you need to type over here Microsoft so Microsoft product catalog. And once you inside the Microsoft product catalog, you need to type here your required build, required patch, and just search for that. You will get your patch for 24H2 and 25H2. So you need to confirm your Windows 11 version, and you need to type just Win version, and definitely you will get enough information regarding your Windows version. So Windows version is 25H2. So you have to download this one, not this one. This is ARM64. So you have to download 64-bit based system. This is for your computer. If you are using Dell computer, HP computer, any computer, if you are using that, obviously you need to download this update 64 based systems. Just you need to click on it, and once you click on it, you will have a link, and then you have to just you need to click onto the download. And once you click onto the download, then you will have this link. So you can choose either one of the link in order to download it, and just you need to click onto the, let's say, onto the first link, and you can see that downloading has been started instantly. So you need to press over here download, not go into the these written lines, and you can see that downloading has been started. So I have already installed through the Windows update. So if you are still unable to install this update, so you can download from here, download, and just you need to double click on it and hit next. It will be installed. It is the package of the approximately 5 GB. So maybe your system will restart a couple of times during the installation, so no need to worry about that. It's normal. And once it is done, then you are good to go. Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly hit the bell icon and forward to your family and friends. Stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.